What's up people, my name's Pete. This is the tester for YouTube on the rebuild of a Pilot 520. We've called it the Hooligan. Reason being, I think it's going to fight us all the way. We'll get into video soon, but we're going to try and do a few tutorials like transom, bit of fiberglass in, painting, see how it goes. If you want more of this, press the red subscribe button and smash that bell. Now we'll get into the video. Sorry about the quality, but it's the first time I've ever done anything like this at all, so let's just see how it goes. Thank you.
Well, we broke the law, couldn't take no more. We got tired of their excuses from our prison cells. You could hear us yell. We've no time for abusers. Running away from police wasn't our idea of fun. Running away from police.
5 layers in all, but we'll see how it goes. Sorry about the camera work, it's the first time I've ever done it like this. So we'll just quick show around board and show you what jobs we've got to do. Like I say, it's going to be a rebuild, so we're going to do it over a period of time, but I want to get on the water for next winter. As you can see, it's come with everything, handrails. One of the major issues is we need new windows. Rubbers are absolutely shot at, so they'll be going. But pulpit rails are on the front. Nice touch. The differences between a Pilot 520 and your good old Wilson Flyer is there's only 2 chines down the side here. On a Wilson Flyer they have 3. The trailer it came on is a roller coaster by Hallmark. When we picked up originally, there was no jockey wheel on at all to call off. Keep it on the jockey wheel on drive, but also keep an axle stand. The winch at front needs a good clean up. It's working fine, but it needs a good clean up and a grease up. Maybe a new eye or a new strap for the front. The only problem, well, there's a couple of problems really. Underneath on the keel, at some stage I think they've been actually beaching it. So we've actually got a stretch of about a foot where it's been worn through. So we'll have to get her off trailer and assess that by getting it on her side. All rollers are fine, everything's fine. Could do with 1 or 2 of the U-bolts replacing, and the brakes for the trailer need sorting. It towed absolutely fine all the way back from Anglesey. Nice and steady. You won't think you're on the back of the van. Handrails, both sides, not a problem. A bit of a looking tight boat. We've actually got a cuddy for it for the top. It's not an actual fly bridge, full of leaves at the moment because of winter. Steering works, and that's the outboard. That's the controls for the outboard. We'll just go to the back. One of the first jobs I think we'll be doing is the transom. It's quite sound in places, but there's a couple of soft spots. So instead of messing around, I think we'll get that out and get it sorted. And like I say, it wants a bit of work. That cabin back's coming out altogether. We're just going to have the steering tip right, so it's just an open cabin straight through. The floor that's in it originally, I have no idea what it is. It's very springy, but you can actually feel strengtheners underneath. So I don't know what kind of floor. I think it's the original that was built in the boat actually, because there's no seams anywhere. So that's as it is. The actual outboard that came for the back was a 40 Evinrude. Turns over, fires, not a problem. But the bracket where it mounts to the back of the boat there, underneath there should be a spring to help lift it and raise it and lower it, and a locking pin, and that's not with it. So a gentleman was advertising an Evinrude on Marketplace, breaking the boat. So I actually went and had a look, and for the price of the bracket he wanted £80, and I've actually ended up with a 70 horsepower Evinrude. So we'll see how it goes. That's got very high compression. I think it needs a couple of coils. I've got the carburetors off at the moment soaking, so that'll be another listing. So as it is, like I say, camera work's not great because it's the first time I've ever done like this, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, bye bye for now, people. Well, that's the end of the tester video for this one. Just 3 mentions I need to give out is 1, thanks to the band called The Sentence. You can check them out on YouTube for the piece of music. 2, thanks for the lads at Blackpool Sea Fishing Club, and that's on Facebook. Good set of lads, check it out, let you know what's happening on Fylde Coast. And third of all, I don't know whether it's a recommendation or not, but it's for a gentleman called Richard Lofthouse. He has a boat called the Happy Hooker. That's also on YouTube. If it weren't for me watching his escapades during the past summer and catching some nice taupe and everything off the Fylde Coast, I don't think I would have bothered buying another boat. But there you go. Anyway, thanks a lot. Get back to you soon.